The Paloma is a refreshing Mexican cocktail made with tequila and grapefruit soda. It's a perfect balance of tangy, sweet, and salty flavors, making it a popular choice for those who enjoy a light and zesty drink. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces tequila, preferably a good quality blanco, white, or reposado tequila. Half an ounce lime juice, freshly squeezed for the best flavor. Pinch salt, optional for rimming the glass. 4 ounces grapefruit soda. Can use Doritos or any other grapefruit-flavored soda. Alternatively, you can mix fresh grapefruit juice with club soda. Ice cubes, as needed for serving. 1 grapefruit wedge for garnish. For equipment you will need highball glass, jigger, mixing spoon, salt rimmer, optional. Here are the instructions. To rim the glass, run a lime wedge around the edge of the glass, then dip the rim into a shallow plate of salt. Fill the glass with ice cubes. Pour tequila into the glass. Add freshly squeezed lime juice. Top off with grapefruit soda. Stir gently to mix the ingredients. Garnish with a grapefruit wedge. The name Paloma means dove in Spanish, and this cocktail is often called the national drink of Mexico. While the margarita might be more famous internationally, the Paloma is a local favorite for its refreshing taste.